another video, and here we will be connecting our activity 2 to another activity, activity 3. I've adjusted these buttons a little bit. Definitely you can go with any other method as well. You don't have to use buttons. It's not a hard and fast rule. You can go with any format. Anyway, so I've adjusted the height a little bit. I think they look a little bit more better now. Now we'll be using this button and we'll be connecting it to another activity, activity 3, just to show you that how things work in an application. So I've created an empty activity. It's called empty activity, activity name 3. So let's get started. To start with this, you can see we have 3 activities, 3 XML files. So here I'll be telling you a little bit of a thing for just have you seen one of those email links that whenever you click on it, it will straight away open the compose menu in your email or Gmail app. So we'll be doing something similar to that. So let's just keep it simple. We'll keep this page simple. Just I'll be adding a little bit of text here. So I'll just drag and drop. I'll change the text to email, increase the size a little bit. I'll simply search for it. So let's make the size as 16 and constraint it. Okay, this one. So let's just keep it somewhere here randomly. So my motive to explain this is just how you can add a few elements to each one of them. So definitely for this activity 2, you can make another activity for timetable. So whenever you click on timetable, it should go to that activity. It should display a timetable. You can import a timetable widget here. So any widget, or you can just do it there are n number of ways to do it. So in exam date as well, we can do multiple things. So it all depends on the requirement of the client, if you're working with a client. So all that, we are just making a random example. So just we will leave it at that. We'll be just working. Whenever you click on contact, it will do something, and that something is right here. So email, and here I will drag and drop another text right here, and here I'll be doing something. Now that something is that I will add an email right here. So it could be any, so I just made a random one. Now let's go to the code, click on this. Yes, so here I'll be using this one attribute. It's called auto link. This is a very useful one. So anywhere, whenever you want to add a web link, you want to add a map, you want it to for example, we have seen whenever you click on the phone number, it opens your dialer. So that is how this works. So I'll be doing this for email. You can go for any other way as well. So here you can see it has automatically highlighted the link. So I think we are done right here. This would be it. Let's connect the contact button to the activity 3. So to do that, we'll be making the intent again. So we'll call it contact equal to and we're looking for button 10. We'll set up the on-click listener. I think we have understood this quite well. We have used it multiple times, the on-click listener. So okay, I misspelled it as usual. So contact. And there you go. We set up the on-click listener. Here we will be making the intent, create an object, The current activity would be the activity 2, and we wanted to go to activity 3. And now you can also add a back button here. Let's add a back button as well. So I just want to add a back button. It won't take much time though. Just back button, and we'll make it black. It looks weird otherwise. So we'll be using intent on this one as well. So this is the, let's constrain it. Okay, randomly placed. Anyways, let's go back to this. Oh, it was supposed to be start activity. We'll do a similar thing there as well. Let me just give it the same ID so that I can reuse that, copy paste the code. So I'll just name it button 10. Okay, it says it already exists. I can't use that. Okay, we'll keep it as it is. So let's just copy the code from here so it doesn't take any more time. We'll change a few things, of course. So here I'll call it back. The ID that I need to import is button. And we will switch these. So main activity 3 to the activity 1. Sorry, activity 2. And there you go, we are done. I hope we don't have any problems here. So we'll be executing it in a bit. So we'll be seeing that. I'll attach it to the end of the video. But before that, let's see how to convert it to APK. So let's just check for any problems. I hope there are no problems. With the first one, we don't have any problems. With the second one as well. The third one, okay. Something we forgot or missed out. Okay, it says too small. We'll fix it. You can simply click on fix. So insufficient color contrast, we'll let it go for now. So just a hard coding thing, we'll just fix it. And the last one there. So we are done. And now let's see how to convert it to an APK. To do that, you'll be clicking on this. This will check if there's any problem, any errors or anything like that. So it'll be checking. I'll open it. I'll open the event handler as well. I mean the event, the one that shows events. So let's just wait. Once done, all you need to do is go to build, and then you will find an option here called APK. Okay, yeah, there. Okay, build bundle or APK. So we'll just go for APK, and now it will build it. Let's wait for a while. It will take a moment. So it has been finally built, and you'll see a notification like this. We'll click on locate. and it should open the location. There we have it. We have an APK and the output metadata. So this is the APK that is created of our application. That would be it, students, and you'll see the output of our project right here. Not a complete project though, but you can always get creative and add new things to it. So the connectivity and everything is clear, I hope, and how to add each and every element is also clear. You can discover new things. We have a lot of options in Android Studios. It's quite a flexible software, and well, there are multiple ways to do the same thing. So you can always um, be curious and try and find new things. That would be it. Thank you.